1. They're faster than HDDs. Solid-state drives, SSDs, are much faster than traditional hard disk drives, HDDs. 2. They use less power. When it comes to power efficiency, SSDs come out on top. Unlike traditional hard disk drives, HDDs, SSDs don't require the same level of power to run. 3. They're more durable. SSDs have no moving parts, so they're less susceptible to physical damage. 4. They're quiet. One of the main benefits of an SSD over a traditional hard drive is that it runs much quieter. 5. They generate less heat. Heat is a major enemy of computers because it can damage components over time, leading to hardware failures and expensive repairs. 6. They don't require defragmentation. SSD don't have any spinning disks or other physical components that can become disorganized. As a result, SSDs are able to quickly and reliably access data without any time-consuming maintenance. 7. They have a longer lifespan. While an HDD typically lasts for around 3 to 5 years, an SSD can last up to 10 years or more. 8. They're more secure. An SSD is much more secure than a traditional hard drive, as the data stored on an SSD cannot be accessed without specific authentication. 9. They're smaller. Solid-state drives are much smaller than traditional hard disk drives, which makes them ideal for modern computing. 10. They're more affordable than they used to be. The price of solid-state drives, SSDs, has dropped significantly in recent years. This makes them a much more attractive option for upgrading your